Hey friends, I am at the park with the kids and we were just having a fun time. We actually had a dentist appointment back on the other side of town where we used to live, and so the kids were excited to go to a park, one of our old parks that we used to go to. And so we're here at the park, but I just got notification or a phone call from the post office saying that our quail chicks are ready to be picked up. They were actually scheduled to be delivered tomorrow. So I had in my mind that we would get our dentist appointments done, we would go home, we would get all of the stuff ready for the brooder, get the brooder all prepared, and then tomorrow we'd be picking up our chicks. But no, they came a day early. So we are gonna quickly finish up playing at the park, and then we're gonna head to the post office and pick them up, and then we're gonna make a mad scramble to get all of the brooder stuff ready as soon as we get home. So ever since Charity and I saw a video of a different YouTuber getting quail, she has had her heart set on getting quail, and that was like, I don't know, 9 months ago or so. And we saw some baby quail at Wilco last summer, and that got her heart set on it even more. And so we had in our minds that we wanted to get quail, but my husband has been so busy that he hasn't had a chance to like build a chicken coop or a quail coop for us. So the company Aivituvin, I think I said that right, contacted me, and they make prefab chicken coops, kind of like the IKEA of chicken coops, and they have so many different options and all kinds of other animal hutches and things. And they contacted me to see if I was interested in trying out one of their products. And so it turned out to be the perfect situation where we just got our shipment of our prefab chicken coop that we need to put together, and that is what we are going to be using for the quail house. So it'll be a little while before the quail are big enough to go into the coop permanently. They're going to have to be in the brooder first, but we are going to put together that coop in this video so you can see like how it goes together. I think if I had known about this company back when we lived in the city, I totally would have gotten chickens when we lived in the city, at least, you know, as many as I could have with the ordinances that are in place and such. But it was so intimidating to think about getting chickens in the city. I don't know why. Hi, Renee. But Aivituvin has so many different options and sizes for different amounts of animals, chickens and other things. And so I'm really excited to try out this coop, and we'll show you how it all goes and all of that so you can get an idea. They did give me a coupon code for you guys for 5% off if you decide you want to purchase. So I will put that down in the description below, as well as links and all of that. And we are headed to the post office to pick up our new babies. We're so excited. So how long have you wanted to have quail?
I don't know. 2 months now?
I think it's been more than that. It was last summer that you saw them at Wilco. So getting close to a year that you've been obsessed with quail. And why do you want them so bad?
They're just little poof balls. They're so cute.
They're so cute. Are you ready to go pick up our quail?
Yes.
Let's do it. I can hear them.
30 of them.
30 quail in this tiny box. You see them in there? They said that one tried to escape because they have to open up the box and check on it when it arrives. And one of they said it was a little popcorn nugget, jumped out and tried to escape. We're ready. Izzy, are you ready?
She's ready to meet them.
You need to leave them alone. Here, Cherry, while I get the bark chips, how about you go fill the water?
Okay.
You know how to do it?
Wait, yeah.
We need a little piece of wood or something to put the water on so it doesn't just get filled with bark chips. But we can't have it too big because they're so tiny they need to still be able to reach it.
Also, Mommy can share to pick them up.
You want to share to pick them up? Yeah. There's enough that you should be able to gently pick one up.
All 30.
Okay.
Probably could hold them all like
sticker.
this.
There's a sticker right there, so we need to just...
Oh my God! You're trying to get out! I'm gonna...
Okay, wait. Let's take them over. No, let's take them over to the bin.
He's stuck. I'm gonna cry.
Well, we'll get it. Oh, I think there might be a dead one in there.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. That happens. That is normal.
Oh, no.
Okay.
I see it.
Yeah.
That's no fun.
All right. Really, really soft.
Oh, look at this tiny one. It's like, oh my gosh. They're all so teeny.
Wait, Levi, wait.
Yeah.
Let's let someone help you get one. Okay, Levi, here you go.
Oh my gosh.
2 hands together.
Mom, look at it.
Just a second. 2 hands together and lower it down into the bin. Levi, lower it down into the bin.
My hand.
Oh.
Look at how tiny they're.
Really, really soft. Let me see, Cherry.
They're so soft.
Yeah.
Nana, do you want to hold one? They're so tiny and fluffy.
Got it. Really soft. Levi?
So cute.
Just no squeezing, no squeezing. You're being very gentle. Oh, I think there's 2 in there that have passed along.
Oh no. I accidentally grabbed 2, but then one. Oh no, don't go up my sleeve! Ow! Oh, I grabbed 3 on accident. Don't we have to like dip their beaks in the water? Oh,
yeah, we should. Yeah, they are good. They're probably thirsty after their long trip. We're going to let them get accustomed to their new little brooder here. A couple of them didn't make the trip. Didn't make it through the trip, but that's to be expected. So this is how the Aivituvin chicken coop came. 2 separate boxes, shipped via FedEx. It came super fast. So this is the model that we got, and I'll put a better picture up on the screen. But they have a lot of different kinds you can choose from. Some that are like double story, huge ones, small ones, and they mark them like how many chickens would fit or would be a good fit in that size. But I think this one's going to be a good size for having our quail in there long term. It's got like the little laying boxes and stuff. I'm really excited. So I'm going to get Charity out here and we're going to get started on putting this thing together. So we're going to open the box, see what it looks like inside, and then try to figure out what tools we're going to need, because we will need some tools. So this is what everything looks like out of the box, and we have the instruction manual, and we're just gonna get going. According to the manual, the only things we need are a drill and a screwdriver, so let's just do it. Yeah. Alright, Renee. This one, it goes like that. Look at those little nesting boxes. Aren't they cute? What did you find?
Baby pine cones.
They're so cute. Are they as cute as the quail?
Yeah. And also,
Yeah.
I found one here.
Oh yeah, those are our instructions.
Yeah.
Alright, what's next? We did this. Now we gotta do this. We're gonna put the flaps on the roof on the nesting boxes.
I bet they're gonna go up.
So we need letter K. All of the pieces are marked with their correct letters, so that's nice. And then we need to get the P6 screws. This coop is not for you guys. Are you just so jealous? This fancy new house? Hey, get off that. We'll let you try it out, don't worry. Okay, it's coming along. We got the little coop all built. Now we just have to do like the yard part, the fenced-in yard. And it's looking real good. Put on the hinges here. And I did find that I needed to have a drill, not just the screwdriver part of the drill, but the actual drill bit to drill some holes, like anywhere that there was these little silver screws, like on a lot of the hinges. It was the little ones. There weren't guide holes already, so the drill came in handy to make those guide holes. All finished. Oh, it took me about 3 hours. The packaging said takes about an hour. It probably would have taken my husband about an hour, but it took me about 3 hours with interruptions, of course. So I love how many doors this thing has. There's the one here. Come on, there we go. Door. And then the tops of these open up, and there's a latch on this one here. And then there's this door, so if you're free-ranging your chickens, you can let them out, and there's a lock on both sides, so you can lock it open or lock it closed. Is that your little buddy? Are you showing your buddy its future home?
I put my hands inside that cage and they all huddled up by it because it was so warm.
Oh, their heat lamp is on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe they just want to be your best friends. And then here are the doors for the coop, so you can lock them in the coop at night. And there's a couple different door options, big and small for them. And then, of course, the top of the coop opens up like that. And there's the tray down on the bottom to make it easy for cleaning. And then the 2 laying boxes on the side both open up as well. So you can see there's lots of openings. Then there's also this little window here for probably when it's hot, if they're in the coop locked up at night, to let some airflow in. And the other laying box, and that is the coop. Oh, get it. Oh, you lost it. Talia is a genius. Get this brown one. Oh, the cats want in too. Leave me.
That big one keeps pecking on the little ones. You're mean.
Don't be a baby. My favorite character doesn't pack on it.
Is that all of them?